Hey there guys, this is Coach Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This problem is called return the first element in a list. So it says create a function that takes a list containing only numbers and return the first element. So as you can see, the name of the function get underscore first underscore value. The list contains 1 and 2 and then 3. So we want to get the first element, which in this list it's 1. And in this example, the first element in the list is 80. And then in this list, the first element is negative 500. So as you can see on notes, the first element in a list always has an index of 0. And again, in a list, um, the first element always has an index of 0, meaning this right here is going to be 0. The index is going to be 0 and the element's going to be 1. Right here, the index is going to be 1, the element's going to be 2. The index is going to be 2 and the element's going to be 3. And you can access this by you can access an element by using its the number of the index that you want to access. So let's go over here to the code tab. As you can see, the function get first value, and inside the parameter list is called number underscore list. So the way we return the first element of a list, so what we can do is return number, take number list, that's the name of the list, and we are gonna put a 0 inside right here, as you can see, because 0 is always gonna give you the first element of a list. So let's check it out, and it should work. As you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you want more coding solutions, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.